Welcome friends. Today's our topic is types and forms of business. There are three types of business. Major types we have counted. First is service business. A service type of business provides intangible product with no physical form. Service type firms offer professional skills, expertise, advice and other similar products. Example of service business are salons, repair shops, schools, banks, accounting firms and law firms. Second is merchandising business. This type of business buys product at wholesale price and sells the same at retail price. They are known as buy and sell business. They make profit by selling the products at prices higher than their purchase cost. A merchandising business sells a product without changing its form. Example of the merchandising business: grocery stores, convenience stores, distributors and other retailers. Third is manufacturing business. Unlike a merchandising business, manufacturing business buy product with the intention of using them as material is making a new product. Thus, there is a transformation of the products purchased. A manufacturing business combines raw material, labor and factory overhead in its production process. The manufactured goods will then be sold to customers. Okay, you got it? Another form of the business is hybrid business. Hybrid business are companies that are maybe classified in more than one type of business. A restaurant, for example, combines ingredients in making of a fine meal. Manufacturing sells a cooled bottle of wine. Merchandising example and fills customer orders, services. None the less, these companies may be classified according to their major business interest. In that case, restaurants are more of the service type. They provide dining services. Form of business organizations. First form is sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned by only one person. It's easy to set up and it is the least costly among all forms of ownership. The owner faces unlimited liability, meaning the creditors of business may go after the personal asset of the owner if the business cannot pay them. The sole proprietorship form is usually adopted by small business entities. B is partnership. A partnership is a business owned by two or more persons which contribute services resources into the entity. The partners divided the profits of the business among themselves. In general partnership, all partners have unlimited liabilities, or in the limited partnership, creditors cannot go after the personal assets of the limited partners. C is corporation. A corporation is a business organization that has a separate legal personality form. Its owners. Ownership is a stock corporation is represented by share of stock. The owners, stockholders, enjoy limited liability but have limited involvement in the company's operations. The board of directors can elected group form of the stockholders controls the activities of the corporation. In addition to these basic forms of the business ownership, these are some other types of organizations that are common today. One of them is limited liability companies, which are known as a LLC. LLC is the many countries or hybrid form of business that have characteristics of both a corporation and a partnership. An LLC is not incorporated, hence it is not considered a corporation. Nonetheless, an owner enjoy limited liability like in a corporation. An LLC may elect to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. Cooperatives. A cooperative is a business organization owned by a group of individuals and is operated for their mutual benefit. The person making up the group are called members. Cooperatives may be incorporated or unincorporated. Examples of the cooperatives: water and electricity utility cooperatives, cooperative banking, credit union, and housing cooperatives. Another form of the business is the non-profit. This is lead by some NGOs. Earning pay expense of the company cannot apply for tax exempt status. These are the exempted from the tax and the earning pay expense from the company. So